Most people don't realize this, but your brain has been lying to you about first impressions. You only get 7 seconds to make a lasting impact, and how you use those seconds could change your life.
Here's why that matters. First impressions aren't just about how others see you, they're about how you feel about yourself when you enter a room. Whether it's in a job interview, a date, or a first meeting, your brain is already making decisions before you even speak.
But here's where it gets even worse. Your first impression is shaped by things you don't even control. Your body language, your voice, your posture. And if you mess that up, it's game over. Most people don't realize they're sabotaging their own success without even knowing it.
Here's the harsh truth. Your first impression is permanent in the eyes of others. Once it's formed, it's extremely hard to change. That means, in just 7 seconds, people decide if you're trustworthy, confident, or capable. Fail those first few seconds, and your chances of getting a second shot? Slim.
But here's the part nobody wants to admit. Most of us focus on what to say, but how you say it and how you present yourself plays a much bigger role. This next part explains why your life hasn't changed, even if you've been working hard on self-improvement. The psychology behind first impressions is simple. People subconsciously judge you on 3 major things: appearance, body language, and confidence. Let's break them down. 1. Appearance. From the clothes you wear to how well-groomed you are, your appearance speaks volumes before you say a word. Studies show that the first 7 seconds are heavily influenced by how you look. 2. Body language. Your body speaks louder than words. Standing tall, making eye contact, and offering a firm handshake immediately signals to others you're confident and competent. 3. Confidence. Your confidence doesn't come from what you say. It comes from how you carry yourself. The more you believe in yourself, the more others will believe in you.
So now you know what to focus on. But the real question is, how can you actually control your first impression? The answer lies in one psychological trick most people don't use.
The secret? Mirroring. When you subconsciously mirror someone's body language, voice tone, or gestures, your brain builds rapport. It creates a sense of familiarity and trust instantly. This is a powerful tool that can boost your first impression dramatically.
Now that you know the science behind first impressions, what's one thing you'll do differently next time you meet someone? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you want more psychology tips that'll help you unlock your potential, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.